Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Anvesha with you. I hate waking up at morning, but I had to because this is a requested video and I do it for you. One of you wanted to see my skincare routine. Now this is going to be my morning skincare routine. I have already made a video about my night skincare routine. If you want to check it out, it will be linked up here on the iCard. So if you want to know what my morning skincare routine is, keep on watching. So I was a bit skeptical about this video, like if I want to film it today or not, because right now my skin is not in its best condition. It is having few breakouts recently, but then I thought skin is all about that. You are going to have a few breakouts and pimple here and there, so there is nothing to hide about because we change so much, mentally and physically, and it's just the way that our body is handling those changes. And skincare is always not about just how good and flawless your skin looks, but it is about how does it help you to cure your problems. It is like if you have an active pimple, how long does it take for your skincare routine to diminish it completely? Or if you have pigmentation, how long does it take to lighten those dark spots? This is what skincare is. It's not like having glass skin from the first day. It is a continuous journey that you have to do. And skincare is not just about few products that you put in your face. It is also about the things that you eat, your sleeping routine, and the weather, like where do you stay and the weather changes. All of these has a big role to play for you to have that perfect looking skin. So on that note, let me show you what I like to do just after I wake up. It is to have this. Now what I have in here, the secret recipe, it's nothing too extraordinary. It's just lukewarm water mixed with lemon and honey. Now if you love to have caffeine like tea or coffee, I know it can be a bit hard for you. Try to replace it with that if you can, or if you want to have that beautiful skin, because I have seen a difference. Like my skin looks more clear, like transparent. I'm not talking that you can see my veins through my skin, but it's the difference between a sunny weather and a cloudy weather. So that's the difference that I have seen in my skin after having this. Now the second thing is my face. You can see how oily my skin is after waking up. So the first thing that I like to do is washing my face. So for that, in the morning specifically, I like to put a very mild and gentle face wash. And for that, I am recently loving this Himalaya Fresh Start, and this is the blueberry version. It has such a cool texture, and plus it has some of the apricot granules, which is going to help you exfoliate your skin. So I'm going to take a bit of that. Now this is not a foaming face wash, so you might think I need more, but you don't. So see, it doesn't lather up on your face, and I like to start from the middle of my face. And this is so mild, and the best part of it that it doesn't make my skin stripping dry. So even if you have a dry skin, you can use it and you are going to love it. It is already spread. Now I like to use a cute device, which is this one. It is by Miniso. It has a silicone side and it has a brush side. It is more rough, so I like to go with this one. So I like to gently massage my face with it for like 1.5 minutes. Okay, it is pretty much done. Now I'm going to wash my face and then I'll come back. I have washed my face and it is drenched in water, and I don't like to towel dry my face. I like to pat it dry. So I just slap my face softly and it dries my face. And it is actually a Korean skincare tip. They don't use towel, they just pat it dry. So, yep. And see, it dried while we were talking, so it doesn't take long at all, and it's not completely dry, it's a bit damp, and I can feel the moisture. And at this stage I am going to go with the next step, which is of a toner, and for that I am using this one. It is by Glow Therapy and it is the 100% pure and natural rose water. and I am taking it down to my neck as well. I have seen a lot of people, they don't include the neck in their skincare routine. We don't have any different skincare for neck. If you have it, good for you, but I don't have a different skincare for the neck. Okay, my face is pretty much damp, and this is the ideal stage to move on to the next step, which is moisturizer. You don't want your face to be completely dry before you go with your moisturizer, because a little bit of dampness makes your face softer and your pores are like chill and a bit relaxed, and when it gets dry, your pores gets back into their original stage and it shrinks a little bit. So you want your pores to be open so that your moisturizer can get deeper into the pores. I'm going to start with an eye cream, and this is the one that I'll be using. It is the Biotique Bio Seaweed Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel. Sometimes I don't even use it at night, but in morning I have to use it because it has that minty cooling sensation. So it helps to open up my eye a little bit, and it helps with the puffiness that you are probably seeing here. It helps with that a lot. So I'm going to take a little bit of that. I'm going to divide it in between my finger and I'll go like that. And it just instantly makes my eyes so relaxed and cool. It's amazing. Now for the moisturizer, I'm going to use the Pond's Super Light Gel. Now if you have a dry skin type, you might want to use something with a thicker formula. So for that, I will specially suggest this Lakme Peach Milk. This is so amazing to apply in the morning. I apply this in winter, but in summer, this is my go-to morning cream. Now comes the most important step. You have to apply sunscreen. Doesn't matter if you're at home or if you're going out, UV rays can pass through your windows, so it is actually not safe in your room. So for that, I have two options. Try to invest in two different SPF. One that you will be wearing when you will go out, and that is going to be a 50+ sunscreen. You need to put 50+ when you will go out. Just put that in your mind. Do not buy less than that. You need 50+ sunscreen with UVA, UVB protection. You need both of them. And the other one that you can buy, it can be ranged from 20 to 30, and for that I have the Lakme Sun Expert. And remember, this needs to be UVA and UVB protected as well. So when you are going out, your option should be a higher sunscreen, and when you are at home, please do not skip sunscreen. Put something with a low to medium SPF, which is still going to protect your skin from the sun damage. And before that, I'm quickly going to moisturize my lips with this Avon Natural Lip Balm. Now today I'm going to put this, so I'm going to take a little bit from here. And do not skip your neck and ear, because people tend to forget them and it just makes then no sense, because this much of your skin is exposed and it is already damaging a lot. Now the last step of my skincare is this. Now I don't use it on a regular basis, only use it when I'm going out, and specifically in summer. Now why is it important to use a sunscreen powder on top of sunscreen? Because I'm not talking about winter here, I'm talking about summer. We sweat a lot. We tend to wipe our face with a handkerchief or a tissue paper, which removes the sunscreen. So to prevent that, I like to go for this extra step. Now trust me, it is going to help you so much. And again, it has UVA, UVB, both the protections, which is super nice. Now it doesn't come with a sponge or a brush. You need to have your own. And so I'm gonna take a bit. I like to dip it, and you see it picks a lot of the product, so you need to dust it off like that. And I'm pretty much applying it all over my face. So my skincare is done. Now I'm going to put some makeup, and I'll see you after a few minutes. After a lot of minutes. Okay, so I have done a bit of makeup. It is not a bit, it can be a lot for somebody, but yeah, let's keep that aside and I have filmed this look, so if it's not already uploaded, it will be my next video, so keep an eye for that because I don't know what I will be posting after what. So yeah, now let's get back to today's video. Now skincare does not have to be very like over the top chapter that you don't understand. It's nothing rocket science. Cleansing, toning, moisturizing, these are the simple steps. A lot of people make them complicated by putting different steps in between. Those are completely unnecessary. Don't listen to that rubbish. Just know if your skin is doing fine with cleansing, toning, moisturizing, you don't have to follow other steps. Sunscreen is must. Sunscreen is definitely the most important step. Just know your skin and pick your products according to that. That is what the core of skincare is. Why are there so many products available on the market? Because there are tons of different types of skin and people have a lot of different problems, and that's why there are this much of product in the skincare range. But that does not mean a single person has to use all of the products. If your skin is doing fine with what are you doing right now, then go for it. Don't change it. Don't make your skin suffer for that. And yeah, pretty much that is it. If you've liked this video, hit that like button. If you like this face and want to see more from me, then do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit on that little notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video. And until then, stay happy, keep glowing, and don't make it too complicated. That's it. Bye.